Sid Chakravarthy?
Yeah.
Is that how I say it?
Chakravarthy, yeah.
Okay, and it's StaTwig?
StaTwig, yeah.
StaTwig. Okay, here you go.
Hello everyone, my name is Sid. I'm the founder of a startup called StaTwig. We are based out of Singapore and India. So before this startup, I was working here in the Silicon Valley, mostly in the emerging technology space for companies like Cisco. I moved back to India last year, looking to solve some real problems using my skills. So I spent some time in pharmaceutical industries, food industries, back in India, trying to understand the problems in those spaces. And what I came across is this huge problem of product wastage, especially I focused in the areas of vaccines. And so what we identified is that globally, more than half of all the vaccines go to waste before they can reach patients. And this costs biopharma companies nearly $15 billion in product losses every year in covering these costs. So we try to understand what's causing this issue. There are many reasons why there's so much product wastage, but one of the fundamental thing is that the product itself are not handled properly across the supply chain. So in case of vaccines, less than 1/3 of the people handling the vaccines actually monitor their temperature. So, and as the supply chains are becoming more global, they're also becoming very complex and fragmented. So it is very difficult to have that visibility across the supply chain from the manufacturers to the customer. So when we came across this problem, it was really clear that we could use blockchain with the help of technologies like IoT to track the products from the manufacturer to the customers, analyze. So this gives us this. And we record the complete life journey of the product into the blockchain. This gives us an extra layer of visibility, and also we collect a lot of data, and we can use analytics on top of this data to predict where the outages are happening and prevent them. So what we designed is IoT devices which tag along with the packaging of the products. So they move all the way from manufacturer to the customer, recording vital information about the product, so we can figure out where the failures are happening and provide more real-time information to all the people in the blockchain network. So you might be thinking how this is related to finance. So in supply chains are not just about moving products from one place to another. There's also a lot of movement of money. So by tracking the products from the manufacturer to the customer, we're collecting a lot of data at different segments of the supply chain, and this data is available to different players in the supply chain: the manufacturers, the customers, the third-party vendors who are transporting, and also the banks and the insurance companies, who can use this data to analyze the risk involved in different segments. They can also use the data and smart contracts feature of the blockchain to do microfinancing on different segments, and improve on claims management, and also make the payments faster. So some of the things that the panel talked about, like the payments over global borders. So this using the blockchain network, you can reduce the time of payments and also reduce the transaction costs at different segments. So our business model is very simple. Our business model is very simple. We provide platform as a service where you pay subscription fees, or you even pay at a more granular level where you pay for blockchain information that you extract out of the system. So if you are interested to know more about this, please reach out to me. I have a demo over there. Thanks.